How's it going, ladies and gents? It's Flack. Here we have my tube clock. Now, last episode, you've noticed that it didn't work right. I thought it was this chip. It's that one. I have two chips that came in the mail today. I'm not familiar with SMD soldering. This is probably going to be the end of this clock. But might as well try. Here we go. Don't expect any commentary. I'm going to be listening to music while doing this so I can concentrate and focus. But I hope you all enjoy. Ouch. All right. Chip is off. Solder on my new desk, that's fine. Comes right off. I need some rubbing alcohol. All right. So, got some rubbing alcohol here. Need to wipe that up before it eats away at the table. Clean these pads. This is the hard part, soldering it back on. All right, I let it cool down. Now to put the battery back in. Helps if you warm the soldering iron up. All right, let's see if it works. And there we go. The dopamine rush that I'm getting right now is ridiculous. I think I saw it counting down. Let's see. It's cycling past. Yep. 18, 19, 20. It's working. Thank you very much for watching and sticking around, guys.